uCertify offers CompTIA A certification prep for IT professionals. So, start your prep for CompTIA A certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a CompTIA A certified professional, you'll have to pass 220901 and 220902 exams. CompTIA A exam validates understanding of the most common hardware and software technologies in business and certifies the skills necessary to support complex IT infrastructures. In uCertify labs, you'll be receiving 8,760 hours of online content. The labs have 160 video tutorials and more than 245 performance-based labs to supplement training by simulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to understand PC hardware and peripherals, mobile device hardware, networking and troubleshooting hardware, and network connectivity issues. Install and configure operating systems including Windows, iOS, Android, Apple OS X, and Linux. Address security, the fundamentals of cloud computing, and operational procedures. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/CompTIA/A+901-902 lab. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.